This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your GPU supports CUDA, Metal, or OpenCL, and drivers are current. Open After Effects and immediately enable GPU features in Preferences so previews and render engines can access hardware. Next, set the project to Mercury GPU acceleration under Project Settings. This tells After Effects to route compatible effects to the card. Once done, import a short clip and switch composition preview settings to use GPU accelerated resolution so you can verify speed gains quickly. Now you focus on the middle steps. Optimize compositions to maximize GPU benefit. Replace unsupported effects with GPU accelerated equivalents because After Effects offloads only compatible operations. Check effect badges. Lower preview resolution and enable adaptive resolution for smoother scrubbing, and use proxies for heavy footage. Make sure other GPU-hungry apps are closed so After Effects can access RAM. Then tweak memory and performance settings to prioritize GPU-backed caches. Once these are configured, play your timeline and note frame rate improvements. Finish by exporting with GPU-enabled encoding. Send to Media Encoder or use the render queue with supported codecs to preserve acceleration during export. You should monitor for artifacts or crashes. If issues appear, turn off Mercury GPU acceleration to isolate the problem, then update GPU drivers and After Effects builds before re-enabling. Make sure to run a short test export to verify color fidelity and frame accuracy. Once that passes, render your final sequence at full resolution with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.